Around the holiday time, I had to take a trip to Los Angeles because a friend of mine's passed away. His wife and I, after Christmas, decided to go shopping at Ikea because it's been almost 6 years since I've been there. So we had a great time and a little cheering up for her, a little retail therapy for both of us. Let me tell you, I was like a kid in a candy store. I had to really pull it together and not go overboard. Almost did. A little bit, but not quite. When I saw these trays, because the color matches a lot of the aesthetic in my office, but I talked myself out of it. I put it back. And the plates really got me excited, but I didn't get those either. I went in there to purchase picture ledges for in my bedroom, a couple of picture frames. I ended up buying some sheets. It don't look like my basket hasn't gotten full yet. I bought some sheets and some European pillow shams and a few other items. It's not every day, I get to go into Ikea, so of course, I couldn't help myself. My friend and I have the same first and middle name, both Patricia Anns. And as you can see, look at her basket. It was crowded that day, and we had so much stuff. People behind us was looking at us like we were crazy.